Hi, my name's Andrea. My Instagram page is Drea Home. I live here with my fiance and my 2 dogs. We moved here just over 10 years ago and I just couldn't wait to have my own place to decorate and put my stamp on. I absolutely love interior design. My favourite thing is putting together mood boards when I'm decorating a room. I find Pinterest great for pinning together ideas and putting it all together and then creating the design itself. I really like neutrals, a nice coastal calm style, adding in a mix of kind of soft blues, and that's my inspiration for my home. When designing the kitchen, I always knew that I wanted to put a Roman blind in. I felt like it would really finish off the room. I wanted something with a braid and a lovely kind of texture to the fabric. I first came across Material World on Instagram through people that I follow. I went onto their page and found that they had a gorgeous range of curtains and blinds. I always knew that I wanted to put a blind in my kitchen to finish it off, and I found that they had a huge selection of fabrics and braids, and that's exactly what I was looking for the kitchen. I found the process of working with Material World brilliant. You can go online and order samples. They get delivered straight to your home. You can look at them against your space, your paintwork, see what matches. Ordering is really quick and easy. You can do it all by email. My best advice when dressing windows is to order samples and order as many as you like. They can all look so different in your home. There's different textures and different colours, and then you can match them in and see what looks best with your paintwork. I would highly recommend Material World, especially if you are starting out with your interiors or just redecorating. The website is so easy to use, the staff are so helpful, and their products are just such great quality.